what? Are you pissed off? What about me? Listen, this is not gonna work out. I'm trying to be open with you. It's nobody's fault. I just can't do this. Let me go. Oh. Let me go.
What the hell's going on here? You left-haired idiot. Get out of here. Who's this? I get it. Are you the saboteur that's fucking up our house? Trying to put me out of business? Thousands of dollars lost. You got that kind of money?
No, it's the DJ, my fave.
That dirty thing told me you boys got her.
Well, yeah, Leatherface killed her once already tonight. But look, she's red-faced. Bubba's been playing with her. Bubba likes her. Bubba's got a girlfriend. 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 Bubba's got a girlfriend.
Is that what this is, Bubba? The old cock and cunt swindle, huh? S-C-E-X. Sex. Hey, you had to find out about it, didn't you? Yeah. You just couldn't leave it alone. If you wanted to know about it so bad, why didn't you ask me? You want to know about it? You want to know about it? Ask me. Ask me. It's a swindle. That's all. So don't get mixed up in it.
Help me. Help me. Help me. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me.
You're all right, Miss Priss. Cut that out. Leave him alone, damn it! Bubba, you were supposed to finish her. Finish her now.
Burn her like a rat.
Finish her.
Burn her like a rat.
Finish her now.
Burn her like a rat. Burn her like a rat, rat, rat. Burn her like a rat.
Finish her now. Finish her now, Bubba. Finish her.
Finish her.
Give me that. Turned traitor for a piece of tail. You got one choice, boy. Sex or the saw.